Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, you'll see how to install and set up MemberPress ClubConnect, which is a real-time messaging add-on that turns your MemberPress website into a fully interactive community. So with the ClubConnect add-on, your members, coaches inside of CoachKit programs, and participants can communicate through group chat rooms and private messages. They can share files, react with emojis, and collaborate, all without leaving your website. So the ClubConnect add-on works on top of other MemberPress add-ons like CoachKit, ClubCircles, and Club Directory, automatically creating chat areas for things like coaching groups, circles, and member directories. So, for example, in the case of your ClubCircles, users will not only be able to post and interact on your circle pages, but they'll also have access to a chat area right on the circle page to send group and private messages to other members. ClubConnect also includes features like search, @mentions, file uploads, and customizable email notifications to keep conversations organized and engaging. So in this quick video, I just want to cover how to install and configure ClubConnect and connect it with your existing MemberPress tools and get your messaging system up and running. So before we get started, make sure to head to our support documentation page on setting up ClubConnect to make sure that you meet the requirements for it. You'll need a MemberPress plan that supports it, and your installation of WordPress has to be above a certain release. And you'll find all that information on our support docs page. And also, you'll need at least one compatible add-on installed that ClubConnect works on top of. So at the time of making this video, either CoachKit, ClubCircles, or Club Directory, since ClubConnect relies on those integrations to create its messaging areas. So once that's all set up, you'll be ready to go. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is from your WordPress admin dashboard, go to MemberPress here in the left sidebar, and add-ons. And then just search for, right here, or just find ClubConnect, and then click to install and activate it. And then once the add-on's installed and activated, you can start using it. So the first thing you want to do is come over here to Club Suite and Settings. And then you'll see this for Connect. Click that. And then the first thing you want to do is set up your Connect page. So this is the page that actually hosts your chat page, your Connect page. So there'll be an option here in the dropdown to create a new one or to auto-create one. So go ahead and just auto-create it. And then once you save the settings, you'll see it here, Connect. So this is a page that's been created on your MemberPress website. And then you have some more options that you can set up here. So the first one, enable direct messages from group participants, will make it so that your members can actually message each other directly. So when enabled, users can click on participants in circles and directory groups to start private conversations. And when this is not enabled, the participant list is view only, so they won't be able to actually send private direct messages to each other. So I'll enable that. And then the next two, you can auto-create rooms for your directories and then auto-create rooms for circles as well. So every time you create a new circle, for example, a chat room or the Connect page will automatically be created and have that functionality automatically. I'm going to leave it deselected because I'll show you how to do that manually as well. But it's probably generally a good idea to just auto-create rooms and enable it here. Next, you'll see email notifications. So this will notify people via email when a message has been received. So this will notify people via email when they get a message. And you see this tooltip right here. And you can edit what that email says. It's automatically populated for you by MemberPress, but you can edit it here. You can send a test to yourself to see what it looks like. Or if you make any edits and you just want to go back to the default, you can hit reset to default right here. And this sync option right here, so you can see this will create chat rooms for any circles directories that don't have one yet. So existing rooms and messages will not be affected, and rooms are normally created automatically if you have it up here set. So this is only needed after bulk imports or for troubleshooting. I'm not going to go over this right here, but just go to our support docs page to read more about syncing, how it works, and when you might want to use it. So if you make any changes here, like even creating your Connect page or any of these options, be sure to click Update Options to make them all take effect. And one other quick setting here is if you go to the Profiles tab, make sure that this is enabled to use profile photo as avatar. You'll see what this looks like in a bit, but this will make it so your member's profile picture that they upload for their profile avatar will show up in the chat. So for this video, I'm just going to use ClubCircles as an example of how this is working. But again, you can have your chats on directories and then also CoachKit programs. So if you go to Club Suite and Circles, here's some circles that I have right here. And if you remember, going back to the settings and connect, I don't have this auto create rooms for circles. So if I go back to circles, this Basket Weaver Club circle is one that I just created. So if you don't have it set to automatically create your chat rooms, if you hover over your actual circle pages right here, you'll see this option to add chat room. So all you would do is click add chat room, and it says room created. So now, just as my site administrator, I'll go to view that circle. And what it does, and it's empty because I just created it, so there's no members, there's no post or anything like that, but it creates this chat right here. So you click that, and here's the chat page for the circle. So now I just open my website in a new incognito window, so I'm not logged in as my administrator user. And so here's my sample website. So I'm going to log in as just a test user that I already have created on my website. Just like that. And this user is logged in. And then going back to my WordPress dashboard real quick as my admin, I know that this test user is in my Glamping Gang circle right here. So I'm just going to copy that URL. And then going back to the incognito window, logged in as my test user, I'll just visit that circle page. And here it is. So as this test user, they're already a member of this circle, so they can see and post on the feed right here. But now, since I set up ClubConnect, they'll see this chat section right here. So they can click here and get to the chat for the circle. So you see I have some sample chats right here and a direct message. So they see they have a new message from this particular user. So they can come in here and see that this is a direct message from Caroline here. And they can respond. They can click this right here to attach files if they want to. They can use emojis, they can @mention people in group chats. And you can see right here, like this Glamping Gang, this chat, you can see that it's part of a circle. And you can see this one here is just person's name, so it's a direct message. So they can go back here. You can see here this person attached an itinerary PDF. And they can also comment right here. If they hover over a particular message, you can see this little smiley face. They can add emojis, and that'll show up in the group chat. Right here, you can see 8 participants, so they can click that and see a list of all the participants in this particular chat. And then if they click on an individual user, like that, it opens up a private message with them, and they can start chatting right here. So that's the gist of how this works on a Club Circle. Again, I want to keep this video brief, but be sure to check out our support documentation to see how this works with CoachKit and Club Directories if you're just using directories without circles. So again, I just wanted to show you how to set up ClubConnect, how to get it started, a little bit how it works, so you can start using it right away. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.